Hey, do you want to learn how to install Docker Desktop on your PC or laptop? In this video, I'm going to help solve your problem. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let's get to it. So first, head over to docker.com, and on here, you need to select products. Inside it, you're going to find Docker Desktop. Click on it, and it's going to take you over to this page. Now inside it, click on choose plan, which is going to take you over to the pricing. And we're going to select the get started button. Let's click on it, and it's going to take you over to the app.docker.com. Now on here in Docker products, we're going to click on the go to download for Docker Desktop, which is going to take you over to this get started page on the Docker docs. Just click on one of these depending on what operating system you got. In my example, I've got Windows, so I'm going to click on this second one, which is going to take us over to this page. And I'm going to click on this first one, which is x86. 64. So once you click on this button, it's going to download this file to your computer. This is .exe file. We're going to click on this and click on yes on the pop-up. Now it's going to initialize, and it's going to give you this configuration part where you do not need to touch anything. The first and the last option is selected. Just keep it that way. Once done, click on OK. And it's going to start unpacking the files. And now it has been installed. I'm going to click on the start button, and I will see this Docker Desktop here, or you can also search it from the search bar on the top. So let's click on the Docker Desktop. It's going to give you this. Press on accept. Now it's going to give you this, which is welcome to Docker. You can skip this step if you want, or you can create a new account. I'm going to use the Google sign up. It's much better and much faster compared to using the traditional email method. Now once you're done, the next step would be welcome survey. You can fill this up, but I'm going to click on skip. And we have now installed Docker Desktop. The engine is running. On the bottom left, you can check this. The engine is running and everything is working fine. In your case, there may be an issue with the WSL unexpected error, and you will have a server stopped message on the Docker Desktop. And in order to fix it, I've made another tutorial on it. You can check out at the end of this video. There will be a playlist on the right hand side. You can check it out from there. So that's it. That's how you can download and install Docker Desktop on your PC and laptop. Did this video help solve your problem? Let me know with a like and comment.